Hi, welcome to our next episode. We're going to be getting into learning about our hips today. So just a little bit of unlocking of the hips, or at least a beginner tutorial as how to do so. Basics in unlocking your hips, very similar to what we did before in the chest video. So what's going to happen is that we're going to be going forward, then pull back, forward, pull back. Now what I imagine is that I'm just kind of like skiing. And what I want to try and do is create a pendular action, kind of like a grandfather clock, of my hips going back and forth, just in a straight line. Okay, so I'm just going to be following my knees that are going forward. I'm going to be going forward, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the other side we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, I like that. Let's go side, forward, side. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's cool. I like that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna be going side, forward again. So let's try that. So let's try that this way. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And imagine that you're just skiing. So what's going to happen is that you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy enough, eh? Let's try it again. So we have a 5, 6. So let's try it again. We have a 1, 2, 3, double time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's try that. So what we're going to do is we're going to be going side, forward. Let's try that in fours. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try that again. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, how is this going to help you out in salsa? Just getting funky, just getting weird. So we had that. Now, same idea as before with the chest exercise, is that we had sides. Now I'm just going to be going swing, forward, back, and then side. Now what you want to try and imagine is that your hips themselves, facing forward, are the typewriter. But it's a downwards pendular action. So you're going to be going whoop and bop. You can keep it flat right here if you want. Let's keep it that way. So the next action that we're going to be doing is a side swing action. So this is your pendular action, going side. Remember Psy from that one thing back in the early 2010s? It's just going to be side. So you're going to be going back and forth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now again, keep your legs bent and relaxed. Rather than being completely straight, stiff-legged, you're going to be subtly bent in a quarter sit position, or an eighth of a sit position, depending on like what you define as a quarter. But just love to go from here to bent leg. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just playing around with it, okay? Awesome possum. Now we have forward and back, side, our cardinal directions, and we have a rocking action. Now we're gonna go for a half circle, just like we did in our chest exercise. But first, let's go with a we have a forward, like Three Musketeers. We have forward, round, that's a quarter, half, 3/4, forward, typewriter. Now left, back, right, forward, typewriter. 1, 4, 3, 7. 1, 4, 5, 7. 1, 4, 5, ba, e, ah. Ba, go, ba, ba. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go from here. We have forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's go over all that from the top. So we have our swing action. We have here 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that again. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pendular back and forth. Pendular side, side, forward and back. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side, 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 side. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, we had forward, side, back, side, side, back, side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. 1, 2, bop. And then just go whoop, whoop, bop, bop. So again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can play around with how your arms go, but really just whatever feels comfy. That's it for part 1. Hey, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did find it helpful, please leave a like, comment, and please subscribe if you haven't already.